Propaganda, rhetoric, and a bunch of BS coming out of Washington, D.C. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Tuesday, March the 1st. Welcome to March. Okay, in the meantime, here we are, and action has been almost similar on a daily basis with down opens and then markets start to rally. I don't know what's going to happen here today. It doesn't look, I don't know if it's going to hold or not. It looks kind of ugly. We did have ISM manufacturing number out at 10 o'clock Eastern. It didn't look so good. I didn't see the number itself, but based on the trade of the action, didn't look so good. So we'll see how that indeed plays out. And in the meantime, we will continue to, trade the way we're supposed to. We know we have the wonderful State of the Union tonight. This ought to be a real joke, but it is what it is. Okay, you get to hear mumbles. Go to work. So let's see what he has to say. But in the meantime, we're lower. Kind of. Okay, Dow's down 300. The Nasdaq is up 30. S&P down 15. Russell down 110. We're short the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P, and long the Russell now as of this morning, and we're long the June Russell. Okay. In the meantime, you've got crude exploding to the moon. 102 right now. Up almost $7. Once again, listen, the wonderful energy policy, you can thank this administration and your president for these moronic prices that you're paying and for the ridiculous inflation that we have. Okay, that you can blame. That's not the Fed's stupid on top of everything else. But this particular inflation cycle is purely related to energy and the energy prices. So whatever is, and if they're going to sit here and be stubborn enough to continue to try to go green at the cost of Americans, then what does that tell you? Okay. In the meantime, gold is up, silver is up, and platinum is up, and we are long gold and silver. Platinum, we would be long, but we don't trade it, not liquid enough. The dollar is higher, and we are long. Okay. Where am I at here? I'm lost. Okay. Natural gas is higher. We're long. Bitcoin is up. We're short. And Bitcoin was a natural rally. Obviously, a good trade if you bought it yesterday because of the way that the oligarchs will get their money out of Russia if they have to. Okay. Bonds and notes are charging higher, which we are long. We reversed this morning. Okay. The copper markets are higher, and we are long. As we switch into the grains, you've got wheat up the limit, which we are long. We reversed this morning before it went up limit. Soybeans are up. Corn is up. Of course, the corn's almost up limit today as well. Corn's over $7. Okay, so again, we're long across the board in the grain markets, and in the meats, the protein complex feeders are flat, which is unusual. Okay, first of all, they look bad. Inflation is too high. But they're only down a little bit with corn up almost limit. That's interesting. Hogs are flying higher today, which makes, first of all, they've been under pressure, number one. Number two, they're higher because that they are the next protein in line that people will buy when they can't no longer afford to buy cattle. And with the price of crude, they can no longer afford to buy cattle, probably. Steak in the restaurant, in the restaurant, and when they go out to the grocery store. Okay. And fat cattle or live cattle is slightly higher. So again, but I think cattle, again, that's going to be one of the first luxuries, or as a protein, that's going to be one of the first to go when people have to cut their budget. Okay. Cotton is up and we are short. Coffee is up and we are short. Sugar is up and we are short. Cocoa is down, we are short. And OJ is slightly higher and we are short that as well. All in all, not bad. Okay, all in all, interesting kind of day. We'll kind of see how it plays from here. But again, just be careful. Okay, there's a lot of stuff out here, and there's so much propaganda coming out of Washington. Who knows what's really going on in Russia and Ukraine and the rest of the world? I think our biggest concern right now is I think China may go into Taiwan while all this turmoil is going on. But we'll see what happens. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. It is Tuesday. Remember my sponsors, Capital Trading Group. best futures broker in the country. Trade your brokerage, $10 a month, the best options in stock and stockbroker in the country. Strategic Wealth Preservation, gold, silver, platinum metals for delivery or storage. My store for goods. Check them out. They're all on my website on the scroll on the bottom, the Chiron, and of course our high school program. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another update.